Alright, my fellow everybody's, whoever, whatever, and wherever you are, I hope everybody's doing well. So, this is my first update on the AMT 1967 four-door Impala. This is the supernatural car, baby. Um, I'm doing it straight, box stock, straight from the TV show. It's a good TV show if you haven't seen it. If you have seen it, you know what I'm talking about. Um, so, it's a good kit. I know that from building the two-door 67 Impala. I know it's the same kit, just, you know, made it into a four door. Got my first coat of black on it. It's Tamiya, whatever you want to call it. The Tamiya metallic black. Needs a little sand in there. Get some more work done on this tomorrow. No biggie. It's looking pretty good so far. First coats are always a little rough. Interior, have used. It is the Model Master acrylic random tan. So just take a random tan and randomly put it on. That's literally what it's called, random tan. I didn't make that up. You could look at that right there. So, anyways, put it together, looks really good there. Did the tan, did the silver on the door, the silver trim. The dashboard here, same thing. Um, Googled the hell out of the car, and there's plenty of pictures of the car on Google. So I just did that. Got the gauges, the decal gauges. I just cut it out and put it behind the clear plastic it has on there. Before that, um, yeah, a little dry brushing over here on the radio and the vent there, just to kind of give it a little depth. No biggie. The interior here, with the randomly tan. As you can see, one of my seats, front seat, has a little crooked, it looks like. Um, Tried something different here. I really like the texture that was on the plastic of these seats. Kind of hard to see. The back one a little bit there. I really like the texture that it had, so instead of painting it, what I did was I took the testers, put it on camera, gloss coat lacquer, and just kind of lightly put it over to kind of give it that vinyl look. And I think that looks really sharp. I've seen this done before online. Never done it. I really like it. So, dashboard will go in the front here. Bottom, boom, badinga. Something like that. Somewhere in there. It'll be fine. Bottom here, I didn't do much. Just paint the gas tank. Boom. And you can see I just got some random pieces painted. Not a big deal. So, the engine here. I didn't have my orange anymore. Model Master Sunburst was my go-to. And obviously that went way out of dinosaurs. So I took some red and I took some yellow and I mixed it together to get an orange. It looks okay. The problem I had was it kind of came out a little thick. I should have thinned it out a lot more because I'm looking at it here on the engine. Or, yeah, when it came out on the plastic. It just came out very thick. So nothing special here. Silver transmission, blue SDP oil filter, starter, gloss black, silver, pulleys, fan. Still got to put some stuff on it. Obviously, still needs a lot of work. So, that's where we are with the Impala. That's some good stuff there. Really liking this kit. And then we were at the hobby shop today because I needed some paints for the Impala. And, you know, you can't just go to a hobby shop and not buy a car. You know, all of us do the same. I had no plans of buying a model, just to paint. But my girlfriend saw this AMT kit here, 1929 Ford. What is it called? The Ford Woody Pickup, 4-in-1 kit. I should really like this image here on the box here. There's got the little bicycle in the back there, the old banana seat bike there. And she really like that. She wants that built. And kind of this orange here. So it's Tester's lacquer, extreme lacquer, which is actually the same color I needed for another model that got put back in the box. So that's killed two birds with one stone with that. So eventually we're going to see this one built, kind of similar to this image here on the box. And being kind of an orange color. Orange is her favorite color. So, she wants it built. I get to build another model car. So, it's a win for everybody. So, that will come along later. Again, the 67 Impala, Supernatural Impala. So, yeah. So, like I said, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope everything's good. And I'll talk to you guys later. I appreciate everybody watching. Alright, everybody. Bye.